Day everyone, I'm Huyu. In this video, I'll be showing you this Malaysia 1972 second series 100 ringgit banknotes. Now, before I take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us about it. So for this Malaysia second series 100 ringgit notes is issued around 1972 to 1976, and the bank negara governor at the time is Tun Ismail bin Muhammad Ali. This is how the signature of the banknote should look like. The size of this note should be 158 mm times 95 mm. Now, the printer for this banknote is Thomas Dileru. That's what this TDLR stands for. The first prefix for this note is A/4 until A/10. And there's only one type of replacement note, that's Z/1. Now I'll leave the book like this in case any of you want to check the price. However, please take note that the price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Price may go up and down depending on the market situation. Alright, let's take a look at the notes, which I'm sure you all are quite eager to know how to have a look at it. So this is how the front of the second series 100 ringgit notes look like. Now how we differentiate from the first and the third is by looking at the corner here. This is how the second series design should look like for the second. Another thing that can differentiate from the first and the second is by looking at the spelling, because the first series they use the word Gabano, which is O, but when it comes to the second series, they use U, Gabano. This is how behind the second series 100 ringgit look like. Here is the printer name, Thomas Dileru and Company Limited. Because there are fake ones out there, so make sure you know all these small details when you buy an ungraded one. Alright guys, I'm going to pause the video for a while to show you the watermark. Alright guys, as you know, the watermark for this second series 100 ringgit note is a tiger head, not argon. It shouldn't be any other animal. You see anything else, there's some serious problem with the notes. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.